What's up everybody? Welcome back to another one right here. Probably actually one of many to come. And that is how to survive the trenches with calm. So, we're gonna be jumping right into this one, and I do believe that there's a lot of people that are new to crypto, or especially in the trenches. They're gambling, they're taking a look. Okay, maybe I'm gonna be taking a look at DEX screener and what is, like, let's say the trending tokens there, right? And to be honest with you, that can be extremely dangerous. And I'm gonna be taking a look at two random coins with you guys and show you exactly what I am always doing first before taking any enterings from the trending page. So we're gonna be starting with Cactus. Cactus is the #1 coin right here, and it's going up and it's looking crazy, especially if you're looking at 4 hourly, just straight up. It's trending. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. But then you take a look at the maps, and that is like a pretty nice and cool hidden feature that nobody knows about. Actually, let me show you where exactly that is. That button is right here. This is the maps that you want to be taking a look at. Let me open them up with you guys. And just like that, you're starting out with bubble maps. And bubble maps is amazing, and they've been around for a long time. And you do see, let's say, some stuff, it does look amazing, but it doesn't look like out of the ordinary, to be honest. But then there's actually another button called InsightX. And if you click on this one, you can see way more insights, and bam, this entire token just implodes into one big bundle that is this. And if you see something like that we are having on the screen right now, stay away from it. Like, that's extremely dangerous, and probably you're gonna be losing all of your money. All right, let's take a look at another one, because Cactus was really crazy. How about Vampire? Because a vampire cat sounds cute, right? So we take a look at it. Once again, we go on the maps, and we're seeing here the bubble maps. And the bubble maps, once again, do look fine. They don't have many colors. It doesn't look too bundled or anything. But then once again, we take a look at InsightX. And this one right here shows us once again how insanely bundled this entire token is. You can see coordinated fundings, you can see fresh wallets, and it's basically one big cluster. Not gonna say the word. So those things that I'm doing right here, those have been saving me loads of money, just by simply not aping into coins that are extremely bundled. And just for example, I want to take a look at Cyberleak right now, because this one has been, let's say, trending a little bit, actually trending over the last days. And once again, we're opening the bubble maps. And just to show you guys that not every single token is that insanely bundled and that insane as the two others we had just now. Even though Cyberleak does have, let's say, 2%, 1%, and so on. But once again, it's not looking as crazy as the two coins that looked like that before. And the cool thing here is actually that InsightX is fully live, like live by the second. So you can see, you can have this one open, and if you see those bubbles disappearing, or if you can see some new bubbles appearing, or those getting smaller, somebody is maybe pushing the coin somewhere where it's not supposed to be, and then maybe dumping onto you. So be careful out there with the trending tokens. Not every token is bad, and you do know playing with meme coins is playing with fire, and you shouldn't be holding them on for too long. But this particular thing, the maps on DEX screener, has been saving me tons of money. Alright guys, thanks for joining in, and that was actually really fun, and I'm gonna be making more of these right here, so stay tuned, make sure to subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what your experience has been so far with meme coins, and especially if you have been seeing some rugs that could have been prevented, maybe especially with those maps that I've shown here. On that note, Kong, peace out.